Ever wondered how you could turn your phone into a money-making machine? Or maybe you've been searching for a way to manage your finances effortlessly while enjoying some sweet perks. If either of those questions got you nodding, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of Favepay. Let's be honest, managing money can be a total drag. Bills, savings, investments, it's like a never-ending puzzle. But what if there was a tool that could simplify all that, turning your financial life from a chore into a fun adventure? Well, that's where Favepay comes in. So, what exactly is Favepay? Is it a magic money tree? A financial wizard? Or simply a fancy app? Let's break it down. At its core, Favepay is a digital wallet. Think of it as your personal bank, but cooler. It's where your money lives, grows, and plays. But it's not just about storing cash, it's about unlocking a world of possibilities. Imagine having a single place to send and receive money instantly. No more waiting for bank transfers or carrying around stacks of cash. With Favepay, your money is always at your fingertips. And the best part? It's secure. Your money is protected by top-notch encryption, so you can relax knowing your funds are safe. But wait, there's more. Favepay isn't just about convenience, it's about rewards. Every time you use Favepay, you earn points. These aren't just ordinary points, they're your ticket to amazing discounts, exclusive offers, and cashback. From shopping sprees to dining out, there's something for everyone. Let's talk about bills. Yes, those pesky monthly reminders. Favepay makes bill payments a breeze. No more juggling due dates or worrying about late fees. With just a few taps, you can pay all your bills in one go. And guess what? You'll earn points for that too. Saving money can be a challenge, but Favepay turns it into a game. Set savings goals, create virtual piggy banks, and watch your money grow. It's like having a personal finance coach cheering you on every step of the way. And if you're into investing, Favepay has you covered. Start investing with as little as you want. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Favepay offers a variety of investment options to suit your goals and risk tolerance. Now, let's talk about the social side of Favepay. Connect with friends and family, send money instantly, and even split bills effortlessly. It's like having a group wallet, but without the drama. Favepay is more than just an app, it's a lifestyle. It's about taking control of your finances, enjoying the little perks, and making the most of your money. So, why wait? Join the Favepay community today and start your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.